Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy. Calculus limits look intimidating, but solving this specific problem is actually super quick if you follow these 3 simple steps to find the correct final answer. First, look at the graph of f. Even though there's a hole at x equals 1, the function approaches the y value of 2 from both sides, so the limit is 2. Next, examine the line g. Since g is continuous, the limit as x approaches 1 is simply the function value at that point, which is -1. You got this. Keep going. Finally, divide the two limits. 2 divided by -1 gives us -2, which matches our target option. Boom! We just solved the problem in record time. Let's go! Nailed it! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Don't confuse the limit with solid points. Always divide the limits at the open circle.